Hi there everyone. Welcome to the video lecture series on double integration. Now in this question we will be going to the method number 2 that I had highlighted on this point in my previous video lecture. So let me show you the next method. Now from this integral, how can we proceed further? So here also we can separate up. This can be done over here because we saw that the function is multiplicative in nature. This g of r theta can be written as h of r times k of theta, right? So this is multiplicative in nature, so integral can be split up because of the Fubini's theorem. Now let me help you out why we are doing this second method. The reason is, see here the power of cos theta is 2 and sin theta power is 1. In our first method we had done basic trigonometry and it was possible to complete it up. But suppose if we have the power of cos as 7 and sin theta as 9, we won't be able to do by the basic trigonometry. We would be, but unless you know the longer expansions of cos theta and sin theta in the terms of the cos n theta and sin n theta. Okay, so now what comes to our rescue is beta functions, okay, or beta functions. Let us see how to handle with that. So the first thing is that r raised to 5 over 5 we will get when we integrate r raised to 4, and the limits are going to be a 0 to a. Okay, now what about this one? The integral 0 to pi by 2 cos 2 theta cos square theta sin theta will become half beta of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Now how do I get that? This is a formula. Let me give you the formula. The formula says it is integration 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to p theta, okay, sine raised to q theta is going to be half of beta of p plus 1 divided by 2 comma q plus 1 divided by 2. This is what the formula says. So the power of cos is added to 1 and divided by 2. Okay, it's not added to half. Remember, it's added to 1 and then divided by 2. Okay, now so you get a raised to 5 divided by 10 times beta 3 by 2 comma 1. Now when you want to simplify the value for this beta 3 by 2 comma 1, you need to know another rule for beta and gamma functions, how they are connected. The rule that takes you over here is beta m comma n is gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. So this is beta gamma function that is another important tool in mathematics that aids you to crack down the difficult functions. So this is one thing. So you have beta 3 by 2 comma 1 can be written as gamma 3 by 2 gamma 1 over gamma 3 by 2 plus 1. Simplifying this, you will have gamma 3 by 2 gamma 1, and gamma 3 by 2 plus 1 can be written as 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. Now how does this happen? This happens because of the rule gamma m plus 1 equals to m gamma n. M gamma m. Okay, so this is how it happens, and you can cancel this gamma 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2, and you get that. And here a raised to 5 divided by 10 is there, and this 3 by 2. So if you see, this 2 will get cancelled, and here you will get 5, and so 5 threes is 15, and you get your answer a raised to 5 over 15. Over here, this is the method 2. Okay, so some important formulas are there. So this is the first formula. Okay, then this is the second formula that is very useful, and the third formula, gamma 1, if you want to know the value, gamma 1 is going to be 1. Okay, this is integer number 1. Okay, so you did not worry, gamma 1 is 1. And one very important formula that I always prefer to use or keep it handy, gamma half is root pi. This is another important formula. If ever you have to encounter with this, then you can use it. Gamma half is root pi. So that is one formula. So this is formula number 3, and this is formula 4 out of the box. Though we have not used it, but you can keep it handy whenever you need it. So this is the method 2 for solving. Again, this method, I would say that this is for those when your calculators are not working. Okay, you are not allowed for using the calculator. You are not allowed to use in examination or in your entire paper. Otherwise, this technique is also can be omitted, and you can just write down your answer from your calculator by plugging up this integrals in your scientific calculator and get the final answer. Not an issue, but this technique would be very helpful for advanced calculations if you are doing. Okay, so yeah, this is the second method that I wanted to discuss with you all, and I hope you liked it. Please go through the method, and you can share it with the friends, those who will need it. Thank you for watching the video. You can hit the like button if you liked it. Thank you. Till then, keep solving good amount of mathematics.